Alright, I am on a budget to buy new and affordable AirPods. This is a better and best option for you right now. It is the Itel BudsNeo 3. In this video, I'm going to be covering everything you need to know before getting this AirPod in 2025. Without further much talk, let's just jump into the video. First off, let's check what is in the box. The box is very premium whenever you hold it. It feels so good. It feels well built. And in the box itself, we have the AirPod itself, the Type-C cable, we have some paperwork and some extra ear tips for you in case you lost your ear tips or in case you want to change to a smaller or a bigger one. And that's basically all what's inside the box. Just get the AirPod itself, the cord, Type-C cable, paperwork, and some free ear tips. That's what is in the box. And to be sincere, this AirPod is well packaged. We should talk about the design of the AirPod itself. The one I got with me is white. We have some other colors, some black and other colors, but the unit I have here with me is white. First off, the AirPods feels premium in your hand. It doesn't look cheap. It feels like a quality and a good AirPods whenever you hold it. When you open it, that's another new magic for you. When you open it up, it feels as if you are entering a spaceship. I can't lie here. The AirPods design is very, very good and futuristic. Even when I'm using it outside, people like, "Whoa, is this a AirPod or what?" The design is so eye-catching. And as for the design, I'll give it a 8 over 10. The design is very good. Although it's made out of plastic, but it's a good plastic and has a nice finishes. We have a little LED light here to indicate when it's charging the AirPods or when you are charging the case, depending on what you are doing. And we also have the Itel logo beside it, and at the bottom we have a Type-C port where you use to charge the case. And this AirPods charge super fast. We are still going to talk about the charging speed later in the video, but as for the design, it's well built and it's very, very premium. Talking about the design, the AirPod itself feels so premium also. I've talked about the case, but now let's talk about the AirPod itself. The AirPod itself is good and is very, very durable. It's also made out of plastic, and we have white tips and white body, which make it stand out when you are using it outdoor or wherever you find yourself. And also at the bottom, we have this two pin where you can use to charge your AirPods, and we have the soft rubber ear tips here, which is also good. It sits comfortably well in your ear wherever you put it in your ear and does not fall off. Maybe when you are jogging, when you are at the gym, it doesn't fall off. It just sits comfortably well with your ear. And the AirPods is somehow short, not like the AirPod Ace one that is very long, but not that too long, but this is just short and very moderate. What I discover here is that the stand here is very bulky. The AirPod is very bulky, and it may be a inconvenience for you if I'm not used to a bulky AirPods like this. But the AirPod is well built and the plastic is of good quality. Now let's talk about the main selling point of this AirPod, the battery life. According to Itel, it can last you up to 100 hours. Though I've not really tested it out, but I've been using it now for 2 days without charging. Although it takes like 30 to 1 hour before the AirPod is fully charged. And depending on your usage, you can use it for like 80 to 120 hours, depending on how you are using your AirPod. Maybe an heavy user or you are a light user. Maybe you increase your volume up to the max or just minimum volume. It depends on how you use it. But average, you can get up to 3 days battery life on a single charge on this AirPod. And it will let you that the battery life here is very, very good. Unlike some other expensive AirPods that even don't last up to this AirPod. Battery life, this AirPod is a yes. I give it 9 over 10 in battery life. Now let's talk about the connectivity and modes of this AirPod. First off, when you bring it out, it connects automatically to your phone. And if I've not connected it to your phone before, you have to go to your Bluetooth and pair it to this AirPod. But after pairing it once, anytime you just bring it out, it connects automatically to your phone. And also, when you tap on the AirPod once, it pauses your music, and when you tap it another time, it plays it. When you tap it 2 times, it next the music. And when you tap and hold the right button, right earpod for 2 seconds, it changed the mode from balance mode. We have balance mode and super mode. I don't really know what those balance and super mode are meant for. But when you tap and hold the left button for 2 seconds, it automatically trigger your phone assistant. As for me, I'm using a Samsung phone. Whenever I tap and hold it for 2 seconds, it just automatically pop out Bixby. That does it about the connectivity. And when you tap it 3 times, you can reset your AirPods when you tap it 5 times. And very other things you can do and different type of modes on this AirPod. The connectivity is so smooth and good. Now we should talk about the sound quality of this AirPod. Although it costs around 15 to 20,000 naira depending on your location and where you are getting it from. I get them around 18,000 naira here in Nigeria in a local store near me here. First of all, the sound is amazing. I'll give it a 7.5 because it sounds pretty much well for its price. Unlike some other AirPods, don't even stand up to these AirPods. The bass is on point. The bass is good. The bass sometimes it may not be loud as you want it, but when you fit it in your ear properly, the bass you want will pop out. But when it's not sitting in your ear properly, you are not getting enough bass from these AirPods. It's just very simple as that. Just make sure you fit in your AirPods in your ear properly so that you get the most out of your AirPods. The bass is good, the loudness is on point, and the noise cancellation features are also good. The sound quality is okay and decent for its price. Now let's boil down to the main purpose of the video. Should you buy this AirPod in 2025? My honest answer is yes, if I'm on a budget, because it's very cheap and it's very, very good. Concerning the price is decent and the sound is way, way good than the price. You should get this AirPod at Jumia or any Itel store, any local store near you. You should try out this AirPod. But some of the cons I'm having about this AirPod is that the touch here are too sensitive. Sometimes when you put it on your ear, and maybe you are sleeping on the bed or doing other things, it automatically trigger it on and play music or pause your music. The sensitivity is so much high that even sometimes you don't want to touch it. Anything just passes through it, it will pause or play your music. I don't know why the sensitivity is so much. That's just the issue I'm facing about this Apple. But other stuff, the sound, the bass, noise cancellation, the loudness, everything is good. The battery life is insane also. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe and meet you in my next video.